Welcome back to Makeshift Garage, where we make shift broken. So, how broken is broken? She broken. See that retainer right there? I don't see one in there. I think it knocked the freaking retainer out, bro. I wanted to see if that metal retainer is in there. Like that one, see that one? That one's not there. So I'm believing that it lost its mojo, bro. What in the world is going on? And fancy that, it's on number 4. So that was the new lifter I just bought. I have another lifter. I happen to have one. I'm gonna throw it in there. It's brand new. It went in a build and then we ripped it back out and never used it. So I'm gonna run one of them. I checked it over. It looks really good. There's nothing wrong with it. It's the same exact lifter, except it's kind of old stock. We bought it like 6 years ago. Maybe all this new Chinese stuff is not working. I don't know. Put it in the comments. What do you think's going on here? Let's find out. Let's take it out. All right, there's the push rod. She looks very, very straight. There's nothing wrong with that push rod. Yeah. Oh boy, it's a good sign, bro. It's a good sign. It's a good sign. The lifter looks beautiful. The lifter looks perfect, except that metal retaining ring. Where is it? Is it there? Oh, it might be there, but the lifter's broken. Oh, it is there. That retainer is there. Otherwise, it probably would have flew out. The lifter's just shot, bro. That's no good. Is this insane? I'm puzzled. I got to tell you, I'm like bewilderedly puzzled. The other lifter, believe it or not, was broken the other way. It wouldn't go in, right? I showed you. This one is the new one. That one is completely weak. It's just a collapsed lifter. Yeah, this one's tough, man. You can't push this one in. All right, you know what? I'm gonna squirt this with a little brake clean and blow it out real good. Then I'm gonna hit it with some old school comp cam because I don't have any other assembly oil. Everything is already broken in except for this one lifter. We're gonna try to put this together one more time and see what happens. If this one goes though, there's really something wrong. Something wrong with the spring pressure maybe. I don't know. We'll zinc it up. There's a little zinc left in here. Let's use that. We'll even pour it on the cam. What do you think of that? Go, ooh, that's going right on the cam too. That's nice. I'm gonna take some of this 1962 comp cam assembly grease and I'm gonna liberally put it on there. Yes, sir. That should be good, you know. Put a little on the sides here. Come on. Is it the wrong size lifter? How could that be? Nah, it's not. She perfect. Let's cross our fingers. How many fingers we got? We didn't send something through the motor. We didn't crack the block. We didn't ruin anything yet. We definitely went through 1 cam and 2 lifters. Let's see what we can do on the third. Third time's a charm. I can push that in with my finger. That's how bad that was. I never saw a lifter do that, to be honest with you. I don't know, man. Put a little dab on there. Let's throw it in. Let's put it together, broskies. I did turn this thing around. I don't know if that had anything to do with anything. It looks like it's universal. It can go either way. Who knows? Let's see. We're good. Let's smack it all back together and fire it up. Come on, man. It's got to be 3 times the charm. Let's do it. Let's just get it done and fire it up. I cannot wait to see if the lifter pumps up and puts oil out. When the fluid goes in, it's a good sign. 3rd time's the charm, broskies. Let's get this thing going. If that lifter fills up and pumps oil and don't make noise, we might be lucky. We want to see what's going on. We want to hear what's going on. And if something don't sound right, we want to see. We want to look at it. We want to touch it. We want to hear it. But I really want to see the oil come out of number 4. It wasn't coming out at all before, and it was collapsed. And guess what? It was so weak. Look, you could push it with your finger. You can't do that with a lifter. And the other one was so hard you couldn't push it in at all. It's like Goldilocks. We need the sweet spot, broskies. We're looking at number 4. That's the one we want to see oil come out of. Come on, baby. Ooh, I see a little bit. I see a little bit. I put a little grease on the push rod and she's spinning. She's spinning nice. I don't feel like it's pumping oil nice yet though. There could be, and this could be the problem in a nutshell. So before I wipe the cam out, I'm gonna be very careful. There could be something in the oil gallery that feeds the lifter. I'm not wiping this cam if I can help it. Turn the idle up a little bit. They're all getting oil. They're all getting oil. We got really good oil pressure, man. It's coming out of the hole. It's going up this way. All right, let's try it again. I hide the idle just a drop, and it looks like oil's coming out of everywhere. I marked all the push rods up with white grease. I want to see them spin. I think the timing's off a little bit. I have it marked. I have everything right, but let me see. They're all spinning. They're all throwing oil. I'm happy. Let's put the cover on because I don't want oil all over the place. I don't want to lose the oil. That's really expensive, like $140 worth of oil. Hopefully we can hear it, feel it, see it, and not get oil all over the place while we got it. The transmission's warmed up. Everything is really warm right now. I guess let's turn the key on. Looks like everything's buttoned. Lower it just to hear the lope, but about 1200 is where it wants to burn the fuel. If I lower it too much, it'll load up. Right now it sounds pretty good. What the fuck? This fucking roller cam gotta go in here. We'll just take it down the track and blow it up anyways. We might as well build the other motor, get a roller kit, get some good heads. Stop playing games with this freaking motor. I don't know what to say. We take this down the track and blow it up? Should we take it apart and get the roller cam? What do you think we should do? Put it in the comments. If you like what you see and you want to see more, follow us on YouTube. Get off the couch, get out in the garage, build a hot rod, blow it up, put 3 cams in it and 5 lifters, take it down the track, blow it up, build another one. One more time, we'll check the temperature. The oil's good. We'll check the oil pressure for the heck of it. And the oil pressure is at 80. So it's got good oil pressure and it has good temperature. Look at that oil leak. Fucking piece of shit. Can't stand this shitty fucking lifters. Fuck it, let's run it down the track. That's it. A mysterious lifter noise left. It needed to be romped. She's good. Let's get to the track. Oh, woo! Let's get to the track. I'm happy. It's good. I can't believe it. It came and went, but in the end, I beat it up, beat on it, beat it, hit it a couple of times. Whatever was in there, cleared out. It's good. Let's run it to the track. I'm thrilled. Let's get down the track, see what kind of time we can get, see if the pinion angle is good, see if the rear is good that we did, see if the freaking motor job that we did is good with this cam. Holy mackerel, I can't believe it cleared up. It did clear up there if it went away. So let's run it. Let's run it.
3.
Let's run it, bro.